this is Hanki, and these are the highlights of my trip in Taiwan. First up, Jiufen. It does feel like as if I immersed myself into the Spirited Away movie, for the ones who know, but there were lots of people, lots. And I must say the streets are very narrow. Nonetheless, do go. Very nice place to take pictures and actually enjoy the view during the sunset and when the night arrives. Next stop, Shifen. I honestly don't remember how I got there, but the view was definitely mesmerizing. There's a map that allows you to see the waterfall from different perspectives. Shifen is also a place known for setting out lanterns. I didn't do it because I wanted to save it for a special occasion. The next stop is Yeliu Geopark. Along the way there is this rainbow monument, and then basically the park is mainly rocks that looks like mushrooms. Honestly weird, but I found them pretty cool to look at. Last but not least, the food night markets. I have not seen a bigger night market than in Taiwan when it comes to food. There's stalls side by side everywhere, like everywhere. Taipei is literally just a city full of stalls. I ate so much. I don't regret it at all. Here's a list of the night markets. And of course, I got boba, cause Taiwan is the one that created this drink in the first place. However, not revolutionary. Yet, quality is still up par, I agree. And that concludes my trip in Taiwan. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next adventure.